Yo guys, look at this. I'm on top of the barrier. I'm out the map. Look at that guy. This guy was here and he's dead. Yeah, I'm out the map. I'm out the map. If you're wondering, like, how? Wait, can I go over there? Oh my god. What the hell? Oh god! Anyway, I can show you how I did it. So. No, I don't know if I have enough. I'll have enough. Alright. How many people are in? Usually. Me and someone else. Okay. Blah. So, this is how you just get over here. Then you just jump. Use your thing. Then it goes. And you use the other thing. Then you're out. You're out of the map. Oh, I think I'm glitched. Oh no. I could skip so much with this. Yeah, I'm out the map. Normally you get on top of the map, but I guess I just wasn't signal enough. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? Oh, I got stuck. Wait, can I just... Oh, that's the wall. Currently outside the map. This is the latest version. You can see by the hand. Oh, wall. What? The signal? Oh god! What's gonna happen? Currently just gonna get out the map. Yep, I made it. Yep, I'm out. So this might get past. I don't know if it will, because like, I think it's only just been found. I think it's like the Albert Einstein of the game. Yeah. What? Where's the chicken? It feels so weird to be out the map. What if I can find any secrets? Like, something I've not been meant to see. What? What the city? Whoa. Currently outside the map. My money is 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's just sewers. I found something. Yep. I didn't hear something about a Jurassic Park map, dinosaur map. I don't know. Like I heard it. Like last update. I don't know if some people are like tripping though. What? Oh. Whoa! What is blocking me? With this Sigma. I gotta go all the way out here. Maybe if I go up here, I might find something. I really want to find something. I think the developers because I think someone was gonna actually somehow get out here, and. I'm doing it. I'm jumping.